Hello everyone, I'm Mssql. Today's second week our Microsoft Mssql server training. Today we are going to talking about backup and restore our database, select queries, aggregate functions, join types, inner left, right, and nowadays almost everyone using the expert result of the query to Excel. Let's start with backup and restore. Firstly, I have to connect our Mssql server and maybe query window and second database. And last week we completed almost all examples in our data science earth first week database, and we're gonna working on that one. Firstly, I'm using the DC first week. Okay, first of all, why we need to backup and restore. Sometimes you need to move your database one local computer to another computer, or you want to store the database updated or old date. It doesn't matter. Sometimes you leave a problem. You can store your old data inside of the backup, then restore. Because of the situation, we need to backup as soon as as we can do that. Okay, start with backup database. Which database we're gonna backup it? DSE first week. Okay, to disk, then equal. In here I'm gonna writing our path, but before that one I have to create some folder in here, new folder, and main was backs. Okay, in here. Okay, inside of that one I'm gonna take in some backups, and our measure path C, then backs, then I'm giving a name. It must be same name. Then you have to use BAK, B-A-K. B-A-K are extension actually. Then I'm executed this query, then successfully. Okay, looking good. Let's check it of them. Yes, in here. Okay, at that moment I can delete it. When you delete the database, please do not forget the checkbox is close existing connections. Okay, if you don't do this, and if the someone sending some request or waiting any response, it doesn't matter. First of all, our computer or server system wait to stop request and response traffic. But if you check that one, firstly cancel the request and response traffic, then deleting our database. Now I'm trying to delete our database. Okay, successfully. I tried to refresh, then there is no our database. Okay, but don't worry about that one. We have back file in here. Now I'm gonna doing the restore. Restore meaning is the I'm gonna getting our database from our hard drive disk. DSE first week. Right now from disk equal, again same path. Okay, Control V, then I'm gonna running that one. Okay, successfully. If you don't see in here, you need to refresh your zone. Then inside of here, DESE first week in here. And when I extend the tables folder, you can see the contact, EMP project, employee order project, or something like that. But you can start in here your database file, database object, tables, diagram, stored procedures, trigger transactions, functions, blah blah something. But please do not forget it. You cannot store your queries. If you write a queries like that, you need to file and save like that. Okay, classical editor file system, doesn't matter. That's it. Okay, our next topic is I'm clicking a new query and select introduction. Okay, at that moment I'm gonna use the example database, and this is a Northwind database, the most popular database example in all over the world. And there is a kind of diagram. We're gonna create it. What's the problem? Oops. Right click, new database diagram. Okay, in here I'm selecting all of them, adding in here. There's a relationship. Okay, and you need to follow up this relationship. That is a seriously good, a little bit complicated path, but you can follow up. Not too big database, Northwind, but if you're a beginner or you're a beginner writing some queries, that's a good for you. And there is a one-to-one, there is a one-to-many relationship, and there is a different type of relationship, self-relation in here. We can use all of them, but firstly we need to write some select fundamentals in here. Combo box, which are gonna use the database, you need to select it, or you can do it like that. Use Northwind. Okay, I'm selecting, then execute it. See, there's a combo box inside of here. You can see the Northwind table. Okay, for example, I'm gonna writing the very basic query, select asterisk from products, for example. Select is a kind of different topic. That's what kind of topic? You know why? This is, give me a sec, please. Okay, select meaning bring to what I have data, show that to me. Okay, that's it. Right now, from meaning which table I'm gonna use. Okay, that's it. After that one,